Here's some quick tips and tricks for smooth lines in Ibis Paint X. What I do, I select the deep pen, soft or hard, whichever you want. Here is the deep pen soft. So let me increase this. Now you notice this. Usually the stability is off, and when you draw with stability off, this is how your lines look. But always turn on your stability. I don't know if you notice the difference, but these lines right here are smoother than this line right here. Now let me show you another trick I use. Instead of actually just drawing like this, it's actually possible to just draw your strokes normally. But sometimes when I'm trying to follow a sketch, I use this bezier curve or whatever it's called, and just do this. I didn't create a sketch for this tutorial, but you should get the point. It really helps. You see, I can easily follow a sketch in this. For instance, let me say this thing I just did right now is a sketch. Instead of drawing on it like this, what I do, I just use the bezier curve, go here, just keep placing all these dots everywhere, and try my best. Sorry about that, and try my best to follow it till the end. You get the point. It's much easier to just do this than to just do this. Don't do this. Do what I did.